Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a feedback on the music player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the last option, the settings. In the help section you can find the first option, the feedback, and here you can send a feedback and report a problem. For example, too many ads, bugs, music stops playing, and more. And just select one and click that and done. And you can add pictures to this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.